Hello, this is Rich Parson, CMT, with an update on the business cycle for the U.S. unemployment rate as of September 2018. You will note, going back here to the 1980s, that I show the 9-year business cycle, also called the juggler cycle if you're following Schumpeter's business cycle model. And you can learn about the juggler cycle even on Wikipedia, I believe. This 9-year cycle is due to bottom now, but let's first take a look at the prior peak. In 2010, I forecast that we would see unemployment rate decline until near the end of this decade, when it should bottom. In 2011, 2012, there was a lot of discussion in the political arena that unemployment rate was not dropping fast enough. And I just said be patient, that the consumer and businesses would come forward, and lo and behold, we see it speed lower. And we now see it's even lower than objectives, meaning I haven't changed much on this chart since 2010. This was a prior objective, and then I said, okay, let's have a little lower secondary objective. And you can see now it's even starting to move below that second objective. So the model gets an extra star because the unemployment rate has declined lower than the forecast. Now, what should occur is no later than 2021, we should have a recession no later than that year, and therefore we should have a peak in the economy no later than 2020. Now, for the unemployment rate, I'm finding it really ought to bottom in 2019 and then start working higher. Therefore, we could see an uptick in unemployment rate before we actually see any evidence of the economy peaking. Now, one way or another, it should rally, and I think we're going to see it increase up to about 5.5%, perhaps even up to 7% unemployment. I'm currently not forecasting any higher than that, but I may have to adjust it. So I'm looking for a mild recession. Notice that the early 2000s recession was rather mild in terms of unemployment. Nevertheless, I think we have to consider that this is historically low. This unemployment rate as of September at 3.7% was the lowest since 1969. So we have to consider that the unemployment rate's in a range. It's on the low end of the range. That is a warning that we should not anticipate the economy growing forever. Yes, we have to look over our shoulder for a recession and also a bear market in the stock market. I'm Rich Parson. Thank you.